going to learn is a classic dance, and the name of the dance is Let's Get It Poppin', okay? All right, it's gonna start with the right foot. You're gonna shuffle up 2 right, shuffle up 2 left. And what I mean is 1 and 2, 3 and 4. That's a shuffle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or I used to always say shuffle, 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 shuffle. But that's a shuffle step. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So you're going to shuffle up, 2 on the right, 2 on the back, on the left. Then you're going to shuffle 2 to the back, right, 2 to the back, left. So it goes like this. 5, 6, 7, now shuffle. 2 on the right, 2 on the left, back, 2 on the right, 2 on the left. 5, 6, 7, shuffle. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, back. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 2 up right, 2 up left. 2 back right, 2 back left. 5, 6, 5, 6, shuffle up, right foot, go 2 right, 2 left, back, 2 right, 2 left, back. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Now we're going to add the next step, which is going to be what I call dropping it down. 1, 2. You bounce down. 1, 2. Or however you can get down there, you can do your bounce different. It's like you're shifting gears on a car. 1, 2. Hey. 1, 2. All right. So let's put it together so you can see what it looks like. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2. 5, 6, 5, 6. Do it along with me. Here we go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7. Drop it down. 1, 2. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bounce, bounce. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle 2 right, 2 left, 2 right, 2 left. Take it down. Bounce, bounce. All right. So we're going to start it from the beginning, and then I'm going to add some more steps. We're almost finished. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 right, 2 left, back, 2 right, 2 left, back. 1, 2. Out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Let's do that again. 1, 2. Out, right, in, left, out, in, step over. Left, in, out, in, out. Out, in, out, in, out, in, out, out, in. Okay? So let's do it all together. Put it all together from the top. 5. I'm going to slow it down. 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle 2, shuffle 2 up. Shuffle 2, shuffle 2 back. 1, 2. Out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Now, you're going to heel right, heel left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right heel. Left out. And you're dipping down with that. Put your own swag on it. 5, 6, 5, 6. Heel out. Heel right, left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel right, left. 5, 6. Put it all together. From that part, from the beginning, up to the heel part. Then I'm going to add the last of those steps. 5, 6 from the top. 5, 6. Shuffle up. 2 right, two left, shuffle back, two right, two left, drop it down, bump, bump, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, right heel, left heel, now pivot, 1, 2, 3, 4. You're pivoting 1/4 to your left, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? Which would be, if we was at a clock, we started at 12, that's 9 o'clock. That would be the 9 o'clock wall, okay? So let's try it again from the top. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, shuffle, 2 right, 2 left, back, 2 right, 2 left, drop, drop, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, heel right, heel left, 1/4, 1, 2, start again, shuffle, shuffle, up, shuffle, shuffle, back, bounce, bounce, step, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, heel right, left, pivot, 1, 2, do it again, shuffle, 2 right, 2 left, up, 2 right, 2 left, back, bounce, bounce, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, right heel, left, now pivot, 1, 2, last one, shuffle, shuffle up, shuffle, shuffle back, bounce, bounce, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, right heel, left heel, now pivot, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the whole dance. Let's go over some of the steps, okay? So let's shuffle, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, back, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, shuffle up one more time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now when you drop it down, 1, 2, you just bounce it down, 1, 2, drive your car, 1, 2, or your motorcycle, 1, 2, bounce, bounce. All right. So now you're stepping out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. Heel right, heel left, pivot, 1, 2, 3, 4. Heel right, heel left, now pivot, 1, 2, 3, 4. Heel right, heel left, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's put some music with it. Let's get it popping.